Hey everybody, Kevin here, WQ9F. Just a short one today. Just a little update here at the home QTH. We had a storm come through real early yesterday morning, about 3 a.m. And while no casualties up on the roof to the ADS-B antennas or my dual band antenna, you can see here my DX Commander is laying on the ground. And if we come down a little further, you can see my DX Commander broke in half. Now there was a recorded wind gust of 60 plus miles an hour here, and it was about 3 in the morning. So I kind of slept through it, but I want to thank Callum M0MCX, the maker of DX Commander. Best customer service I've seen. He sells replacement poles for those that have issues or problems like this at cost. And so even though this just happened yesterday, there's already a new DX Commander Classic pole on its way to me here in Chicago from England, and it'll probably be here Monday, honestly. So, downside to my Friday, I got to take apart my DX Commander. Upside, I'm going to have a replacement here real soon. Thanks, Cal. 7-3, everyone.